Welcome back everyone. In today's quick tips video, we will discuss how you can merge projects together here within Sawgrass Print Utility. Whenever you have multiple project tabs open at the top of the screen, you will have the option to merge those projects onto a single piece of paper. To do so, choose the Select a Job menu that appears above the project settings. Find the job you wish to merge with the current file and then select Merge into tab. Once the projects combine onto the same tab, you will then follow through the same process you normally do by applying the correct settings to the project. Please keep in mind that when you merge projects, you will want to merge similar projects as the job settings are applied to the entirety of the page. This means you should combine projects that have the same product material, the same paper type, color mode, and other important settings. For example, if you have two different ceramic coffee mug projects on different tabs, you can easily combine them together and print them. Attempting to combine a polyester project with a ceramic project will not be successful. Merging projects is a great way to speed up your workflow and become more efficient with your overall paper use. That's all for today. See you next time.